Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your Facebook account private. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy, and after this you will see the second option, that is privacy center. Tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading you can see this type of interface. Now you can click on the privacy checkup box, and here now you can tap on your name, and after a few seconds of loading this type of page will be open, and now you can tap on who can see what you share, and now you can tap on continue, and you will just simply set all of the information, that is only me, and all of the information is only me. And after setting all of the information is only me or limited to yours, the Facebook account is private, and this is a way you can make your Facebook private account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.